If a tenant is no longer going to be occupying a space, we'll have to move them out to make the space vacant again. Moving out tenants will have to be done one at a time through the tenant's profile. To access a tenant's profile, simply search for them using the search bar at the top of your screen, or select tenants and choose them from the list. In the tenant profile, you will have to select the menu button from the right side of the rental details section. If the tenant has multiple units, you'll have to select the unit they're planning on moving out of first using the active rentals list on the left. After selecting the menu, there will be several options. In this case, we're looking for the move out option. Here, we can select the date of the move out. The date can either be today or any day in the past. Unfortunately, we cannot do a future move out as it's quite common for plans to change. After selecting the date, we can select a move out reason from the dropdown. The most common reason for leaving is simply they don't need storage anymore, but if you would like to change the available reasons, you can do so by going to Settings, Customization, and Move Out. The prorated move out switch will affect the billing for the move out. This will prorate the move out based on the move out date you have selected. If a tenant has a balance for time after the selected move out date, the prorate switch will reduce the balance to only charge for the time the tenant was occupying the space based on the selected move out date. If a tenant was paid further in advance than the selected move out date, using the prorate switch will allow you to refund any extra funds that were not used. You can also add any additional fees during the move out, such as a cleaning fee. If the tenant owes a balance, you can simply select a payment type from the dropdown and select Move Out Now. If the tenant has a balance that you never planned to collect, you can use the Write-Off Balance switch. This can be helpful for cases such as evictions or auctions. After the Write-Off Balance switch is enabled, you can simply click Move Out Now. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.